Hello, this is Brossman KI4CFS, and I have been away from the ham radio hobby due to taking care of my parents. Now I'm getting back into the hobby, and I've chosen to get a new mobile radio, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video of it. I'm very excited about this ICOM dual band transceiver ID-5100A. It is a 2-meter 440 and D-Star unit. I've also purchased the mounting bracket with it, which they don't include. And if ICOM's listening, I think a great way to sell more radios would be offer some type of special around the holidays where you include this, because the biggest complaint I can see is not including this today. And then I did invest in the Bluetooth module, which I will make a separate video on, and some mounting things, because I really want to mount it in the car and I'm accustomed to certain wiring that I've used before. And let's begin by unboxing this beauty, and we'll start here. We'll open it up. So it's got a lot of pieces in here to come out. So let's go ahead and take them out one at a time. This is one of them. First piece to come out. And then let's see this. Oh, the radio slides out pretty cleanly here. There we go, sliding straight out. We'll take the cardboard off and set it over there on the side. So here we have the unit in its package. We'll set this here, and then we've got our handy dandy manual and interesting software with it. And then we have this this box too, so we're going to move this aside and see what's in here. Software, we're going to move this over here in the bracket so we can see just what came in the box with this unit. So let's start with this. Opening it up, and this is the main display. What I learned is it's probably pretty important to keep this from heat. I noticed some comments online that this might be heat sensitive, but that's okay. I want to mount this in the car so that it would be not affected by heat. So this is our first unit here. Now we will open the accessory box here as well. Go. And the accessory box, we have a connecting cable. We have the mic, and what I like about this mic is it's got all the controls on it. I think on some of the units years ago you had to buy a separate mic just to get a lot of the fundamental controls on it. Looks like most of our controls are on this mic as well. Our power connector cable with fuses, a mounting bracket. It works on magnetic, which is fantastic, so it's easy to get off. A little mount for the microphone will stick somewhere in the car, so put those over there. Box out of the way. And then next we'll have carefully, oh, there we go. Here we go. It's in its little protective bag. We'll get that out and set it over there. And this is the basic unit. Very exciting. Looks solid. Nice heat sinks, connectors, coax, fan, icon, and it looks like it uses a standard SD card. I know on the handheld that I got, it uses a mini SD card, so that's good to see, and a pretty solid unit. And let's take a look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off. That looks pretty. That looks like a really nice head. I love that. I love the GPS. I love the ability it will find repeaters when I'm on the road, and I got this because I got the ID-51 handheld, and I was real impressed with its construction. This looks solid and simple and I'm excited to share more about digging into it. Look forward to hearing other people's comments on it. Share your tips. I'm just real excited to power it up, test it out. I got this from Ham Radio Outlet, and excited to share this hobby with my friend Paul Apollonia and other people in the area. Amateur radio just has a lot of decent people on it. I know many people think, is it still around? Yes, it is, and in an emergency, when other things collapse, it's great to have. But I enjoy it because of the quality of the people I meet. Check out our microphone here. There we go. Here's our mic. Love that. Feels so solid. It looks a lot like my ICOM 2720 that I like so much. I think we got a good product, and I'll share more. This completes the unboxing of the ICOM 5100A. This is Martin Brossman. Welcome your comments below. If you know of any good resources for learning more about it, please let me know, and I'll continue sharing my journey of reconnecting to the hobby. KI4CFS clear.